The consommé tastes like lemon. It's meant to taste like duck à l'orange when you take a spoonful of that consommé. I'm really worried. Today I've made a duck, orange and fennel consommé.
It's a clever dish, but I can see some things on there already that I'm like,
Yeah.
you know, have you done enough?
I don't think I've nailed it, and I wanted to really badly.
What haven't you nailed?
The skin on my duck. And the consommé, I used lemon juice with the egg whites. And I feel like it's added acidity that I didn't want into the consommé. And I thought, if there's a day to push myself, it's today. And I'm really proud of myself that I did something really different. It's just I feel like in that last moment I've done something I shouldn't have to that broth.
Well, Georgia, it's only that dish that can save you now.
Yeah.
Well, taste. Thank you.
Thank you.
I know what you're looking at, Gary, and that's the skin.
Bags of fat.
Bags of fat, which is a problem when you've got something so delicate like a consommé.
Exactly
It's
what
a shame. Shall we?
How's that consommé? Is it clear?
I love the idea that she's pushed herself and done something very different compared to everyone else. And it looked pretty, the pour, you know, it's dramatic, but it's not exactly meeting the brief.
It's duck à l'orange, and you get the orange once you've eaten the fennel with the orange in it. But she's made a big mistake by adding that much lemon to the raft.
If you're going to make consommé, it's got to be like liquid gold. That's the joy for me of eating consommé. And the duck's too fatty.
The mystery box today was all about ingredients that you could buy for $1 or under $1. And I don't think that was as easy as you thought it was going to be. There's some of you that certainly struggled. Remember, at the beginning of the challenge, we said we were only going to taste the 3 most appealing dishes. The first one up is Georgia. Georgia, you're a little surprised.
Just a little.
I'll be perfectly honest with you. When I wandered around and said, what are you doing? And you said, I'm doing chicken wings with a pear chutney. I was like, oh. The reason we picked you is it looks great.
Yep.
We love how you've trimmed those chicken wings.
Yep.
We love crispy, crunchy chicken. Nothing wrong with that.
Crispy chicken drumettes with a white bean puree and a pear and ginger ale chutney.
You only had 2 chicken wings. There appear to be 3 here.
Yes.
And we want to know, I think you've achieved a bit of magic. So you've made a fake drumette, have you?
Yes, I have.
That's very, very clever, and we love it.
Thank you.
You know what I like? It's a clever dish on a budget. And I also like the fact that those chicken wings have been beautifully prepared. Take a chicken wing, everybody at home would normally just leave all the bones in and roast them with, I don't know, Coca-Cola or some sweet and sours. And I like the fact that you spent time and made it, you know, really special. That little drumette's delicious.
I'm really impressed by this.
Good budget cooking, Georgia. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks very much. I'm really happy that they like the technique I used and it's paid off. It's just a really rewarding feeling when you get that positive reinforcement from the judges.
Sarah. Four out of 4.
Yes.
Pleased?
Yeah, I'm really happy. I made eggplant and ricotta tortellini with a purple sage butter sauce.
And you made ricotta, didn't you?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
How much chilli did you use, can I ask?
Yeah, I tasted it and it has a little bit of heat, but not too much.
Okay. The heat is coming a little from
Is
me,
it? Okay.
but then that's because I'm a wimp. No other reason. The pasta is really good. Nothing is worse when the pasta is too thick in the mouth, and I really like it.
Good flavour balance in there, and you push yourself for 1 hour. So credit, well done.
Thank you.
Thanks, Art.
My feedback is positive, but I'm not getting rave reviews, so I'm crossing my fingers I'm going to get the advantage today.
Well, Harry chose a cooking technique which is one of the hottest things around. The consequences of this challenge, 3 people safe, but 3 people into tomorrow's pressure test. First dish we'd like to taste belongs to Melina.
I want to show growth to myself and to the judges, and I feel like I've done that today. I'm hoping that they see it too, and I'm pretty happy walking my dish up today.
Alina, what have you cooked?
I've decided to call it cool as a cucumber because that's the opposite of how I was feeling at the beginning of the cook.
I love it. It's refreshing, it's interesting, and you had to use liquid nitrogen, and you use that in a really smart way.
This is really what so much modern cooking is all about. Take one ingredient and just explore it in lots of different ways, both texturally and in terms of your flavour pairings. And I love the fact that every mouthful is different. Sometimes you get a little hint of apple at the back of the cucumber. Sometimes you get a little hint of dill.
This style of cooking, this kind of level of complexity becomes you. It's wonderful.
Well done, Alina.
Thank you.
Cracking.
I am over the moon with the feedback from the 3 judges today.
Good job, darling.
As we walk up with our dishes, I'm feeling really confident. I can't imagine how we could possibly be the bottom team with this food.
Wow.
It's chocolate fettuccine with pan-seared lamb and a red wine chocolate reduction.
Colin, have you any idea how much I really don't like chocolate pasta?
Oh, really?
I
have no idea.
Given the choice, I avoid it like the plague. I've never had a chocolate pasta dish that I've liked. Ever. Hate it. But that, I love. And this sauce is meaty, red winey, it's spot on, can't criticise it. Perfect balance of bitter chocolate. No joke, I can drink this stuff. In fact...
No, Gary.
I think I will.
Great dish. Colin, man, whoa.
I'm thrilled not to have let my teammates down. Hopefully their dessert gets as good a rap and we might be over the line for a win.